The easiest dinners to prepare are ones that take very little effort and use as little pots and pans as possible. I wanted to show you a super easy weeknight meal that is salmon and snow peas, and it's all done on a sheet pan in the oven. Okay, so I have my salmon, and literally from start to finish, this is going to be 10 minutes. Watch and see. Okay, so I have my salmon. Obviously, however many people you have in your family, you're gonna make that many fillets of salmon. I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon juice. Salmon loves citrus. Okay. A drizzle of olive oil, salt and pepper. And then once we take it out of the oven, we're gonna do that Basil Pesto on top, which is so vibrant, so green and beautiful. Plus my kids love it. Okay, so I have my baked potatoes. This was the easiest way that I have found to get, to trim down the time that it takes to cook a potato. I actually fork it. I put it in the microwave for like 4 or 5 minutes just until it starts to get a little wrinkly, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven to get the outside nice and crispy. So I take my olive oil, okay? Now I get my hands dirty and I just roll it around. Now you're gonna get that really yummy exterior, crunchy, crispy skin, especially with a little bit of olive oil. And it's only going to need a couple of minutes to get nice and crispy on the edges. All right, and finally, same thing for my snow peas. What I love about this combination is snow peas take as long to cook in the oven as salmon. So you're not taking stuff in and out of the oven. Very, very simple. Again, lemon juice, little salt, mix it all together. Doesn't it already look pretty? I love the color combination of the green and the pink. Good enough to eat already. And on that sheet pan, the snow peas are just gonna steam so nicely. All right, it looks so healthy and tasty. In about 10 minutes, we're gonna be ready. So I just took out the salmon, and I think honestly, it could really do in like just 8 minutes. It is that quick, but it's gonna get even better. Snow peas. All right, now to finish it off, I have some store-bought pesto, basil pesto. I'm gonna add a little bit of cream to it, just to thin it and lighten it up for that really light baked salmon. And just dollop that straight over. Beautiful salmon. And there you have it, a feast for your eyes and for your tummies. I'm Roni with Dinner Reinvented, and I hope that you know that dinner is only 10 minutes away. I'll see you guys next time.